I started my sports live streaming business 3 years ago with some non negotiables. First, I didn't want to carry a laptop and deal with OBS and HDMI converters. And second, as a one person operation, the equipment had to be easy to transport, quick to set up, simple to operate, but still confidently produce professional results every time. Sports live streaming eventually led to city council meetings and small corporate events. So I built a second system that's even more compact and portable than my sports setup. I'll show you the equipment in this one backpack, one tripod system, why I chose it, and how easily it all works. Hi, I'm Mike Sabatini, and welcome to the SabTech One-on-One channel, where we discuss live streaming tech in real-world situations. So please ask your questions, put them in the comments section, and I'll reply to all of them. Now, everything except the tripod, of course, fits into this small Mosiso camera backpack. I removed the original dividers and customized the interior with foam from equipment cases that I already had. So part of it came from a Pelican case, and part of it came from inside the box of the OBSBOT Tail 2. But it all fits perfectly and creates dedicated spaces for the equipment while still leaving room for cables and accessories. So let's look at that equipment. Headphones are the Tascam TH02. They're affordable, they sound good, and most importantly, they fold flat. The core of the system is the OBSBOT Talent. It's a battery-powered switcher, streaming device, video recorder, graphics generator, and PTZ controller, all in a compact touchscreen form factor. I use two PTZ cameras in this system. One is an OBSBOT Tiny3 Lite, which gets its power from the Talent, and the other is the OBSBOT Tail 2, which has an internal 4-hour battery. I chose these cameras because they can be controlled directly from the OBSBOT Talent's PTZ interface. A Zoom H5 Studio handles the audio. Like everything else in this rig, it's compact, full-featured, and battery-powered. So let's put it all together. I use a full-size tripod because it adjusts to the necessary height and is sturdy enough to support all of the equipment attached to it without vibration. The Tail 2 attaches to a standard tripod plate and slides into the tripod head. The Tiny3 Lite attaches to the tripod using a mini clamp. The Talent and the H5 have integrated Q20 mounting points, and both attach to tripod legs using Ulanzi mini clamps. Next, I connect the audio and internet. My XLR cable connects the house sound system to the H5. The combo jacks also facilitate 1/4-inch connectors if that's what's available already on site. House internet is usually provided. An Ethernet cable connects directly to the Talent. Once the Talent powers up, I do an internet speed test. The Talent displays live web pages as a source. If there's a speed problem, I keep an M519 modem router in the car for backup. A USB-C cable connects the Zoom H5 to the Talent. And once the audio connection is confirmed, I do a quick audio test. In addition to the hardwired connection, the H5 has two large integrated capsule mics. They pick up room sound, which is needed when audience members speak from their seats instead of heading up to the podium. USB-A cables connect the cameras to the Talent. Connecting the cameras as UVC webcams allows me to control them directly from the Talent's touchscreen PTZ interface. I can change camera position, adjust zoom, check focus, without carrying additional equipment. The Tiny3 Lite's auto exposure and white balance look great for a static wide shot. The Tail 2 gets the close-ups thanks to its 5x optical and 12x digital zoom. If its exposure and white balance don't match the Tiny3 Lite, I use the OBSBOT Start smartphone app to dial in exposure, color, white balance, and other settings to match it up. With the meeting about to begin, I tap the record button. The meeting is then recorded to the SD card in the Talent. Next, I tap the stream button. From the list of destinations, I select the appropriate RTMP, which streams the meeting directly to their YouTube channel. The total time from setup, testing, and going live takes about 10 minutes, although I allow about a half hour so I don't have to rush. That's the One Backpack, One Tripod City Council meeting live stream setup. It's battery powered, easy to transport and set up, and most importantly, allows one person to produce a professional live stream confidently every single time. For more real-world live stream solutions, like this video and consider subscribing to the channel. I'm Mike Sabatini for SabTech One-on-One, and I'll talk to you soon.